Welcome back to Curiosity Corner, and it is 3 o'clock. We're going to take a look at the results of our experiment yesterday. Yesterday we put a egg in vinegar, and I did the same thing here at home. And I also made a time lapse of that egg sitting in vinegar. So here it is. We're going to take a closer look at this thing to see what happened to it. Okay, well, there it is. You can see a lot of bubbles on the egg, and the reason those are there is the egg has a lot of calcium carbonate in it, in the eggshell, and vinegar will react to that chemical and make those bubbles of gas. Now, I'm wearing gloves because I don't know what this egg has turned into. It's a little gross. So I'm gonna get that out of here. Come on, what are you doing? Ooh. So it stinks, but you can see it's no longer hard like an egg would be. It's squishy, and in fact, I'm scraping off this brown outside, and on the inside is white. I'll definitely wash my hands after this, even though my hands are not touching this thing. This white part is the membrane of the egg. So if you ever crack an egg and the eggshell, the inner eggshell is white, and that's this. So what we've done is we used vinegar and got rid of the whole shell of the egg. I'm going to see if I can wash it off in that vinegar a little bit. Well, that didn't work. Anyway, but it's kind of squishy, it's kind of rubbery, and it's not breaking. If I played with it enough, it would break, but it's rolling around and it's kind of rubbery and bouncy. And that's what happens. The egg shell reacted with the vinegar and changed into this, which is simultaneously gross and fascinating. The best kinds of science. Well, I cleaned it up a little, and there it is. It got a little bigger too. I think what happened was, because the eggshell is kind of porous and permeable, as they say, it may have soaked up a little vinegar. But it's still bouncy, just looks a little nicer now. Anyway, thank you for joining me for this follow-up to Eggsperiment 2020. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Join us tomorrow. We have a week-long challenge that's going to start at 10:30 a.m. It's going to be a lot of fun, and we'll tell you the basics of it tomorrow. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for more science content. I'm Andy. Stay curious. Let's see what's inside this thing. Whoop! Just a normal egg. Actually, wait, there's this runny stuff, that's probably vinegar, and then there's this, the yellowish stuff, that's the white, and then there's the orange yolk. So it looks like the vinegar did soak in, and there's the membrane completely separated from the egg. That's cool.